Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, today we are going to solve page number 34 and the topic is addition and subtraction word problems. Statement of question number 1, part A. During December at an airport, 305722 passengers traveled through Terminal 1 and 395184 passengers traveled through Terminal number 2. How many passengers altogether travel through Terminal 1 and Terminal 2? There is a word altogether. This means this word giving me hint that I have to do addition. Passengers. Question number 1, A part. Traveled through Terminal 1 equals to 305722. 5722. Passenger traveled through terminal number 2 are 395184. 184. Now total I have to add them all. 2 plus 4 6, 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry. 7 8 9, 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry. 3 plus 3 6 and 1 7. Total passengers are 700,906. B part is 608,910 bags passed through the airport. 496190 was checked into the loaded on aircraft and the rest were hand luggage. How many bags were taken as hand luggage? Total are 609,810 and loaded bags are 496190. We have to find out the rest of the bags that are hand luggage. B part, total bags. 608,910 loaded equals to 496,190. Hand luggage equals to, we have to subtract them. 0 minus 0, 0. 11 minus 9, 2. 8 minus 1, 7. 8 minus 6, 2. 10 minus 9, 1. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So the total number of bags which are hand luggage are 112,720. C part, there were 101,484 flights into Terminal 1 and 2 and another 137,969 flights into Terminal 3 in 1 year. How many flights were in their total at the airport? Flights of Terminal 1 and 2 equals to 101,484. Then flights of terminal number 3 equals to 137,969. Total flights equals to 4 plus 9 13, 1 carry. 8 plus 6 14, 14 and 1 15. 9 plus 4 13, 13 and 1 14. 7 8 9, 3 and 2. D part, terminal 1 can handle up to 652,6300 passengers a year, and terminal 2 can take maximum 351,4500 passengers a year. With the new terminal 3, the airport can take total of 228,51200 passengers in a year using all 3 terminals. How many passengers can terminal 1 can take in a year? Terminal 1 passengers equals to 652,6300. Terminal 2 passengers equals to 351,4500. 351,4500. Total of terminal 1 and 2. We have to add 0, 0, 8, 4. Total passengers that can be handled by terminal 1 and terminal 2 are 100,40800. The next thing is that when they add terminal number 3, the total of terminal 1, 2 and 3 equals to 2285,1200. This figure is the total of all 3 terminals, and the upper figure is the total of first and second terminal. Now we have to find out the passengers that can handle by the terminal number 3. When we subtract this figure from this, we will get passengers that can be handled by terminal 3. Page number 25, question number 2. This chart shows how many cups of coffee were sold at the airport in February. 4 weeks and the number of cups that are sold in 4 weeks are given. A part is how many cups of coffee were sold in the first 2 weeks. Means we have to find out the total of first 2 weeks of the February. Eight, 2, 0, 6, 4, 5. The total number of cups that are sold in first 2 weeks of February at airport is 546028. B part. How many more cups of coffee were sold in week number 3 than in week number 4? The number of cups are sold in week 3 are more than that of week 4, so we have to subtract. Nine minus 6, 3. 11 minus 5, 6. 3 minus 3, 0. 14 minus 5, 9. 10 minus 9, 1. And 2 minus 1 is 1. The difference between sale of week number 3 and week number 4 is 119063 cups of coffee at airport. C part is how many cups of coffee were sold in total over the 4 weeks. Means we have to find out the total of 4 weeks that are given. We have to find out the total of all 4 weeks. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 6, 23. 3, 2 carry. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 0. 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 and 3, 18. 8. 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 and 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 and 5, 25. 2 carry. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 1, 17. 17 and 9, 16. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. 2 carry. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 and 3, 9. 9 and 1, 10. D part. At the end of month, a shop had enough coffee for 570,468 cups. They bought coffee for another 650,000 cups during the second week. How many cups of coffee were left at the end of the month? Total coffee buy is 60,000. Requirement is 570,468 cups. Now the remaining is after subtracting 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 0, 9, 14 minus 7, 7, and 5 minus 5 is 0. The remaining coffee cups are 79,532.